Hello everyone and welcome back to another interesting topic which is the Gegenteile or the opposites in German. So today we'll be exploring a variety of opposites in German and learning opposites is a great way to expand your vocabulary. So let's begin. Our first pair of opposite is schwarz und weiß, which means black and white. For example, eine Tafel ist schwarz, aber das Papier ist weiß. A chalkboard is black, but the paper is white. Repeat after me. Schwarz, weiß. Moving on. Weich und hart, which means soft and hard. Example, ein Kissen ist weich, aber ein Stein ist hart. A pillow is soft, but the stone is hard. Repeat after me. Weich, hart. Next one is groß und klein, which means big and small. For example, ein Elefant ist groß, aber eine Maus ist klein. An elephant is big, but a mouse is small. Let's say it together. Groß, klein. Moving on. Jetzt and später, which means now and later. Ich esse jetzt, aber ich trinke später. I eat now, but I drink later. Repeat after me. Jetzt, später. Next pair is hell, dunkel, which means bright and dark. For example, der Morgen ist hell, aber die Nacht ist dunkel. The morning is bright, but the night is dark. Repeat after me. Hell, dunkel. Next one is billig und teuer, which means cheap and expensive. For example, das T-Shirt ist billig, aber das Auto ist teuer. The T-Shirt is cheap, but the car is expensive. Let's say it together. Billig, teuer. Moving on. Süß und sauer, which means sweet and sour. Der Zucker ist süß, aber die Zitrone ist sauer. Sugar is sweet, but lemon is sour. Repeat after me. Süß, sauer. Moving on. Frisch und verdorben, which means fresh and spoiled. For example, das Brot ist frisch, aber die Milch ist verdorben. The bread is fresh, but the milk is spoiled. Let's say it together. Frisch, verdorben. Next one is kaufen und verkaufen, which means to buy and to sell. For example, die Käufer kaufen, aber die Verkäufer verkaufen. The buyers buy, but the sellers sell. Repeat after me. Kaufen, verkaufen. Next one is draußen und drinnen, which means outside and inside. For example, wir spielen draußen, aber wir essen drinnen. We play outside, but we eat inside. Let's say it together. Draußen, drinnen. Moving on. Interessant, langweilig. Interessant und langweilig, which means interesting and boring. For example, der Film ist interessant, aber das Buch ist langweilig. The movie is interesting, but the book is boring. Let's say it together. Interessant, langweilig. Moving on. Intelligent und dumm, which means intelligent and stupid. For example, Sabina ist intelligent, aber Tina ist dumm. Sabina is intelligent, but Tina is stupid. Let's say it together. Intelligent, dumm. That's it for part 1 of Gegenteile or opposites in German. There are few more which we will cover in our next lesson. In the meanwhile, practice using these opposites in everyday conversations. Danke! And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more language lessons and exciting content. Auf Wiedersehen!